Welcome to our channel, everybody. Please watch my video till the end. It may benefit you in your future life. May Allah bless you with good health. The most terrifying face wrinkles might be for both men and women: stress, little rest and nutrition, the use of chemicals, excessive cosmetic use, certain ailments and drugs are all major factors. Prior to the start of skin wrinkles, there are myriad ways with nutrient-rich facials. One of the best at-home treatments is an egg white and cucumber face mask, for tightening loose and wrinkled skin at home. Egg white for face is great for your complexion, which temporarily helps to tighten your skin. As it dries, its astringent qualities can draw out waste and tighten pores. Egg whites also clears impurities from skin as a miracle treatment for wrinkles, acne, blackheads and other skin ailments. Cucumber helps to whiten, brighten and soften skin. Fresh cucumber reduces the inflammation, tighten pores, and help the skin produce more collagen naturally. Take half of a peeled cucumber, 5 fresh mint leaves and 1 egg white. Cut the cucumber into small pieces, blend the cucumber pieces and mint together in a food processor or blender, add the egg white to the cucumber mint mixture, blend it again until you have a smooth substance that will stay on your face without running. Apply this homemade skin tightening mask all over your face. Leave the face mask on for 15 to 20 minutes until your skin feels tight. Then rinse off with cold water. The egg whites, mint and cucumber in this mask will help treat blemishes, wrinkles and dark spots. This homemade egg white facial mask will tighten pores. To get a firmer skin on face naturally, repeat the process once a week, besides applying cucumber and egg whites mixture. If this information is useful to you, please click the like button, subscribe channel, to receive my most recent advice on diet and health. Having a good massage with coconut oil once a week is a good way to clear the skin of wrinkles and make it shiny and healthy. The antioxidants present in coconut oil protect the skin from harmful effects of free radicals. It also contains antibacterial and antifungal properties that can assist the skin in rejuvenating and healing. How to use coconut oil for wrinkles. Cleanse the area of the skin with wrinkles to remove any dirt that may prevent the absorption of the moisture provided by the oil. Apply it on the area with wrinkles. Gently massage the oil into the skin to help absorption. Do this before going to bed to allow ample time for the organic coconut oil to heal your skin. I thank you so much watching my video today, and as always, I wish you good health, prosperity, and happiness. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well.